Is your Apple TV acting up, freezing, or just not performing like it used to? Let's get it back to its original glory by resetting it to factory settings. First, navigate to the settings icon on your Apple TV home screen. It looks like a gray gear using your Apple TV remote. Scroll until the settings icon is selected. Then press the select button. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find System, and select it. This section controls the main functions of your Apple TV. Okay, now scroll down. Almost at the very bottom, you'll see Reset. Select this option to begin the reset process. You will see two options, Reset and Reset and Update. If you want to simply erase your data and settings, choose Reset. This will keep your Apple TV on its current software version if you're experiencing major issues. Reset and Update is the recommended route, as it will also install the latest TV OS. Select your preferred option by pressing the select button on your remote. After you have chosen one of the reset options, your Apple TV will display a confirmation screen. Select Reset. Again, your Apple TV will begin the reset process. You'll see the Apple logo on your screen, and the process may take a few minutes. Once the reset is complete, your Apple TV will restart, and you'll be greeted with the initial setup screen, just like when you first bought it. Now you can set it up again and enjoy a fresh start. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Apple TV tips and tricks.